Popcorn and microwave popcorn bags have some of the highest loads of PFAS you can consume. And it's so simple to make it at home on the stove if we go the old-fashioned route with the Whirley Pop. These are simple to use, super fun for the kiddos. They make great gifts and they keep us safe if we want to eat that popcorn, especially if you're eating it every single day, guys. So many unnecessary chemicals if we're doing the microwave version. Wooden handle, limited stock because they're on the Home Shopping Network. So make sure to grab yours if you see that orange shopping cart.